This is fire alarm test 11. Put this in the side. Yeah. So change the tone to the intimate. And this one, I do. Yeah, I know it works fine. Try and test. Key works fine. You know, this one, you know, it's got the. Just test it by. Just move that to one side. Yeah. Put this one goes in the other this side. Yeah. Yeah, works fine. Yeah. And this one I'll push. Yeah. And I'll do. Yeah. You know, this key goes in the bottom with this one there. Yeah. And I'll switch that one back on. The switch back on. Yes, and the fire alarm. Oh, it goes. This one though, I'm not going to break the glass because it's I know. I'll just use the key. Yes. Yeah. You know, the slide front is good, isn't it? And I'll just push this switch off. And I'll push that, slide the lid back up. You know, this wasn't a request, but there you go. And I'll switch it back on. Thank you for watching, YouTubers. Bye. Thank you.